Imagine two companies facing similar challenges in a rapidly changing market. The first company embarks on a traditional transformation journey. They hire consultants, restructure departments, and implement new processes. While these efforts bring some initial improvements, the company soon finds itself struggling to keep up with the ever-accelerating pace of change. The transformation becomes a one-time event, leaving the company ill-equipped to adapt to future disruptions. The second company takes a different approach. They recognize that transformation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. They focus on building a meta-transformation system, enabling continuous evolution. This system is built on principles of self-awareness, learning and adaptation. They invest in developing their people, fostering a culture of experimentation and creating feedback loops. Their meta-transformation system allows them to anticipate and respond to change with agility and resilience. Meta-transformation represents a paradigm shift in how we approach organizational change. It moves beyond the limitations of traditional transformation models that often focus on short-term gains. At its core, meta-transformation is about building organizations designed for continuous evolution. It's about creating systems that can adapt, learn, and reinvent themselves. This involves fostering a culture of innovation, experimentation, and continuous learning. Meta-transformation requires fundamental shifts in mindset, culture, and organizational DNA. It requires a tailored approach that considers the unique context, challenges, and opportunities of each organization. This involves understanding the organization's history, culture, and operating environment. Imagine a company that has successfully implemented a new strategy to improve customer service. In a traditional transformation model, this success might be celebrated as the end goal. However, in a meta-transformation framework, this success becomes the starting point for further evolution. Recursive evolution is the process of applying the principles of transformation to the transformation process itself. It's about constantly evaluating and improving the way an organization changes. Agile methodologies are built on the principle of iterative development, allowing for continuous improvement. The same principle can be applied to organizational transformation. By embedding feedback loops and learning mechanisms, organizations can ensure their transformation efforts are continuously evolving. Section 4, Shaping Reality, the transformation field in action. Imagine a school seeking to transform its learning environment to foster greater student engagement and creativity. Instead of focusing solely on curriculum changes or infrastructure upgrades, the school applies transformation field theory. This theory suggests that organizations are surrounded by an invisible field that influences their behavior and outcomes. By consciously shaping this field, organizations can create a more conducive environment for transformation. This could involve fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation, empowering teachers to experiment with new teaching methods, and creating spaces that encourage interaction and creativity. A real-life example can be seen in the success of companies like Google and Pixar. These companies have created work environments that foster creativity, collaboration, and innovation. By understanding the dynamics of the transformation field, leaders can create a more conducive environment for positive change. Section 5, Metacognitive business. Thinking about thinking, imagine a company facing a complex problem with no clear solution. A metacognitive business system would approach the problem differently. It would encourage the organization to first understand its own thinking process, to think about how it thinks. This involves identifying any biases, assumptions, or blind spots that might be hindering their problem-solving abilities. A practical illustration can be seen in companies that employ pre-mortem analyses before launching new products. In a pre-mortem, teams imagine that the project has failed and then work backward to identify potential reasons for the failure. Metacognitive business systems encourage continuous learning and adaptation. This ability to learn and adapt at a meta level is crucial for thriving in a rapidly changing world. Section 6. The quantum leap transformation at the speed of thought. Imagine an organization trying to anticipate and respond to rapid market shifts. Traditional methods of data analysis and decision-making might prove too slow and cumbersome. In the realm of quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This concept, known as superposition, allows for incredibly fast information processing and decision-making. By applying this concept to organizational transformation, we can envision organizations that are not limited by linear sequential processes. They can explore multiple possibilities simultaneously, enabling them to adapt and respond to change with remarkable agility. Imagine a future where organizations can analyze massive data sets, simulate countless scenarios, and make critical decisions at a speed that was previously unimaginable. By embracing the principles of quantum state evolution, organizations can unlock a new level of agility, responsiveness, and adaptability. Section 7. Embracing entropy, finding order in chaos. The concept of entropy is often associated with disorder and chaos. However, in the context of meta-transformation, embracing entropy becomes a powerful tool for driving innovation and adaptability. Transformation entropy refers to the idea that by allowing for a certain level of disorder and experimentation within an organization, we can foster greater creativity, resilience, and adaptability. A prime example is the 20% time policy famously employed by Google, which allowed employees to dedicate 20% of their work time to pursuing personal projects and passions. By creating spaces for experimentation, organizations can unlock hidden potential, discover innovative solutions, and build a greater capacity for adaptation and resilience.